Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Splatoon 3. First, let's cover the fundamental controls. You'll use the left stick to move and the right stick to aim your weapon. Press the ZR button to fire ink and the ZL button to transform into a squid or octo form. This allows you to swim through your team's ink, moving much faster and refilling your ink tank. Mastering these basic movements is crucial for success in every match. Ink is your most valuable resource in Splatoon 3. Not only do you use it to attack opponents and cover territory, but swimming in your own ink provides incredible mobility. You can quickly traverse the map, hide from enemies, and even climb walls. Remember to constantly ink the ground around you. It's not just about splatting foes, but also about controlling the environment. Different weapons, like rollers or chargers, demand varied approaches. Splatoon 3 offers several exciting game modes. Turf War is the most popular, where 2 teams of 4 players compete to cover the most ground with their ink within 3 minutes. Anarchy battles provide more structured, ranked gameplay with objectives like Splat Zones, Tower Control, Rainmaker, and Clam Blitz. For a cooperative experience, team up in Salmon Run to defeat waves of enemy salmonids and collect golden eggs. Each mode requires different strategies. To truly excel, teamwork is paramount. Stick with your teammates, support their pushes, and cover their backs. Utilize the training room to refine your aiming and movement skills with various weapons. Don't be afraid to experiment with different gear, which comes with unique abilities that can significantly impact your performance. Finding the right combination of weapon, gear, and strategy will lead you to many victories in the Splatlands.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.